Okay. Wait, oh crap, where am I supposed to meet this dude? Oh, right over here.
Alright, you ready? Let's roll.
Okay then. Take the noodle bus with Horatio. Hello? Oh, that's cool, he's just gonna follow me. But where's the noodle bus? What the? Hold on, how are you gonna call an ambulance for someone robbing this car? Bruh. Watch out. What the? Okay. The noodle bus is way back over here. I'm just gonna take this car then. It's 1980s car that the guy just stole. Get in. Ooh, okay. Not bad, not bad. See you.
I punched in the parking lot for you. Driver leaves it there every day to get his coffee. Beautiful. All right, man. Let me just say right up the top. I apologize for anything and everything you're about to see.
You kidding? I'm getting an inside look at your alter ego, Horatio Carlin, corporate code jockey.
Why do I get the feeling this whole thing was a bad idea?
It's cool. I'll go easy on you.
Oh, what the heck? Ah! Oops, whoop. Okay, didn't hurt anyone. And we're here. Arrived. I'm gonna drive a bus now. Wait, maybe? Hopefully? Put your seatbelt on.
Okay,
Or don't.
Where's the GPS? Hey, sit down. I got it. All right, just. All right. GPS. I know where the GPS is. Got it. Okay.
Bruh. Here. Okay. Dang, okay. Complete bus route to Noodle Campus. There's a... Watch out. Don't hit anybody. I don't want to hit anybody. Move. Move. God dang. People. Nope. I didn't mean to do that. Hack this kid. Thank you. Move. Yeah. You gotta move. Jesus Christmas. People these days, you know what I mean? I'm gonna get this nice drift in.
Hi, how you doing?
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good
Hey,
morning.
how you doing?
Good, Gary.
Great.
Hey there.
Hey.
Well, they actually think, even though I'm wearing Dead's like hat.
Horatio, what are you doing first on the bus?
What can I say? I'm an eager beaver.
Anyway, the juicing has really turned my life around. I feel lighter, my mind freer. I hate to break it to you, but juicing doesn't do squat. Ah, take it easy!
My bad, dude.
Anyway, I hate to break it to you, but juicing doesn't do squat.
Anyway.
You haven't tried my juice.
Whoa.
I'm serious. What you want is the pulp. That's the healthy part. Juicing extracts all that. All you're drinking is sugar, smoothies. Now that's where it's at. Load them up
What?
with fruit,
I
veg,
like smoothies.
superfoods. Yeah, like goji berries, maca powder, all that good stuff. You have a lot to learn.
You know the science behind superfoods is shaky at best.
Well, they're health foods. You can't argue that.
Yeah, but goji berries are as much a superfood as grapes are. It's a marketing buzzword
Ah,
designed
crap.
to rope in consumers. No offense.
Awkward.
Of
You know,
course.
Marcus, there are times when I wish I was out doing what you're doing. And then there's today.
Thanks, friend. I'm freaking choking on the pretentious engineer.
And here I thought blue employees were bad.
They are. Well, these are kind of the same, but... Sorry, I keep calling you this. Strangely addicting. Alright, y'all. Look, I'm gonna have to change the radio here because it's getting kind of weak.
Those who have
Yeah,
heard
listen to
whale
this.
sounds often describe
Oh my god, this is
No, don't hit
brutal.
me! What the heck? Wow!
whale sounds.
I can't believe this.
Why? Broadcasting sound from a
That's kind of weak.
or if it's a secret message. We'll see.
Could you drive better?
Could you shut up?
Mystery continues.
The dude drives into me, and then I get in water level. You guys make a hard right, dude. I'm in a bus. How am I supposed to get away?
We've treated thousands of satisfied customers. I never thought I'd be able to see what
I missed it.
Stop your vehicle and give yourself up!
Shut
Come
up.
on, man, seriously.
Oh.
Don't settle for anything less than the best.
This is the
Call
police!
a laser
Stop your
eye
vehicle
center
now!
today. For a free consultation, call one of our
Just run over everybody.
New shooter, take him down.
What the? How am I supposed to lose these guys in a bus? I think I broke
Cops?
there.
For real?
Yeah. Okay. Oh crap.
Look what you've done.
I need to hide. I hope it doesn't take me 15 seconds to escape. I think. Hello? No. Oh crap. They're about to come. They're about to come. Wait, what? Oh, no, no, no. What the? I didn't even do that, but okay. Well, you know. Police on me anymore. Anything that can go wrong will go wrong. How the heck do you fail that mission? All you do is drive to point A, to point B, to point C, to point D. Oh, that's cool.
Horatio, what are you doing first on the bus?
What can I say? I'm an eager beaver.
Anyway, the juicing has really turned my life around. I feel lighter, my mind freer. I hate to... Look out!
Shut the heck up.
Okay, so... I hate to break it to you, but juicing doesn't do squat. You haven't tried my juice. I'm serious. What you want is the pulp.
Crap.
That's the healthy part. Juicing extracts all that. All you're drinking is sugar. Smoothies. Now that's where it's at. Load them up with fruit, veg, superfoods. Superfoods. Yeah, like goji berries, maca powder, all that good stuff. You have a lot to learn.
You know the science behind superfoods is shaky at best.
Well, they're health foods. You can't argue that.
Yeah, but
Could this
goji
bus go
berries are as much a
any
superfood
goddamn
as
slow?
grapes are. It's a
Could
marketing
go
buzzword
any
designed to
slow.
rope in consumers.
Go
No
even
offense.
slower. Oh my
Awkward.
god. Bum, bum.
You know, Marcus, there are times when I wish I was out doing what you're doing. And then there's today.
Thanks, friend. I'm freaking choking on the pretentiousness in here.
And here I thought Bloom employees were bad.
Bum. Chill. Bum 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 bum. Ba-dum bum bum. Hey. Nice beach music. Ah, crap. No, I did not hit anybody. Take that star off. To get to the big point. Oh my gosh.
Hey there.
Next stop.
Stayed late last night?
What the? Bum,
Yeah, and the catering made me want to puke. I'd rather starve next time. This new sushi place is so not up to par. The soy sauce was so bland.
My spicy tuna roll was anything. My spicy tuna roll was anything but.
Oh man, that is literally the worst.
Literally? I could think of some worse things.
Where'd you learn to drive?
Boy, up your friggin'. What the? These people are weird. No, it doesn't. It's not fun. Well, it is, but. Alright, everybody, we have arrived.
Yo, Horatio, man, I'm scared, bro.
Oh, what is it?
Nobody look like us.
True.
Welcome to Silicon Valley. Hey, what do you call a black man surrounded by thousands of white people? What? Mr. President?
Hey, man, they see two
Dang.
of us. They think we plotting.
We are plotting.
Oh my god. Alright.
Man, I feel so exposed.
Hey, Horatio.
Yeah, welcome to my world. There's only 3 other black people that work here. 2 guys, 1 woman. We have our own mailing list.
That's rough. But hey, you're fighting a good fight, changing the face of corporate life in the valley.
You haven't experienced corporate life until you're the only brother in a meeting and have to represent all of blackdom. Jesus. If I had a nickel for every time someone complimented me for being well-spoken.
So where's the server farm?
Not here, I'm afraid. The whole thing's located under the Noodle Maps building. You'll need a whole other level of clearance to get in there. The managers upstairs can take care of that for you. Just do a repeat performance of the bus hack on one of them, and you're good to go. Let's hit the
Got
kitchen.
no time for your
Leave fuel
bullshit.
for another day of drudgery.
That's actually what it says. Bullshit.
Hey, you want a coffee?
No, I'm fine.
Oh, please, help yourself to a Power Grapple. There to die for.
What?
So great, thank you so much.
Okay, neato.
Pomagrapple?
Carlin,
What the heck?
Brody.
big day today, huh? I'm excited. How about you? You know, you could just tell us what you've been up to. Where you've been looking, who you've been talking to.
Coffee.
What was that?
Trying to get a coffee.
Yeah, all right. I'm sure you'll be more forthcoming with HR. Enjoy that coffee. Watch it! Are you new here?
Yeah.
What a douche.
To lay his ass out. I can't stand that mother. Hey, Becky.
Gentlemen.
He's been watching my ass since the day I got here. Now he's saying I should be more forthcoming with HR.
You think he's got something on you?
You have any idea how much jail time I'd be looking at?
If I can get into the server farms, I can delete all that shit, all right? We got your back. You're not going in jail. I'll be in touch. All right?
All right.
We got you, bro. That's what I said. What the heck? Pomegranate.
All right, Horatio, what's the plan for getting to the Noodle server farm?
Best option is the elevator maintenance area on the 2nd floor of Noodle Maps. But watch yourself. Security's tight. Even I don't have access.
No sweat.
Hello. Please allow me to scan you.
Hello?
First thing that made me suspicious about Horatio.
What the?
Fake.
Wait, what?
That fake smile, the way he greets everybody. The way he remembered all of our names on the first day. Trying too hard to be the perfect Noodle employee. At first I thought upper management planted him to spy on us and report back, but I don't think that's it. I don't think he's a terrorist. I mean, I had a landlord named Horatio and he was from Honduras. But he's definitely some kind of plant. Who planted him? I'm gonna find out.
Dang, that's actually kind of interesting. Okay, I usually notice those audio lags either. Alright, wait. It was on the second floor, right? They say security's tight, so watch your back. Wait. Oh, it's in a different building? Ah, damn.
I sat next to Horatio at lunch the other day.
Another one.
Put on my biggest fake smile to match his. Asked him how his day was. His answer? Perfect. He asked me about mine. Perfect. I wanted to grab his face and just scream into it. Traitor! This is a fun place to work. A community. He's going to ruin everything. It was a disgustingly pleasant lunch. We were so nice to each other. I almost snapped. When he finally wished me a good day and got up to leave, he turned for a second and I thought, here it is. Finally! And he just tossed me a pomegranate and winked. He's about to get some of that patented, good old attitude. I'm gonna break him.
That's really interesting. So some dude at Noodle doesn't like Horatio because he thinks he's fake and trying to be like a perfect employee. Huh. Ah, crap.
Shit.
What is it?
My pretty face ain't getting me as far as it used to.
I'm shocked. I guess you're gonna need a high-level access ID or find another way in.
Don't trip. Hacker mode. Or not. Who could possibly have the server key? Hold up. I see a spot for Jumper to enter. Just popped out open. Oh wait, hold up. There's a laptop here. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, hold up. Hold up, I think I found a spot for Mr. Jumper to hop through. See what I did there? Jumper, hop through. I think I'm pretty clever anyways. Okay, oh, okay. I was about to say it's dark as crap in here.
My bad.
Where is this? Wait, what? Okay, that's kind of weird.
Yeah, I just saw it. That's why I called. Your account is no longer suspended and all those posts are gone, so
Oops,
I
he's
guess you're
dead.
in the clear. I mean, I knew you weren't the one posting all that dead set crap. Like you even knew who they were, but a couple of people got pissed at you. Sorry.
Wait,
Whoever
what?
hacked your posts, and I guess they complained. I tried to tell
What
everyone
the?
it wasn't you, but you know people.
Why is this guy all spiky?
Welcome back.
That's kind of weird. One of y'all got the server key, and I'm trying to know who it is. Or maybe none of you guys have the server key. He's telling me I have to find another way in. Do I just like ask around, or what's going on? What? How am I supposed to get in there? I think this guy was using... Wait, let me try going around the back of the building, because that's where the thingamajigger is. Ah, crap. I ain't... Oops. Anything? So the thing I need is in there. And you need a close circuit terminal to activate that. And it's over there.
Synthesizing and integrating the future is what Noodle is all about. We don't just manage change, we are change. At a macro, micro, even molecular level. Our customers, our users, aren't just data sets to be collated, but resources to harness. Customer participation is not just a market, but a connection to who we are.
What the heck is this reflection? What? What is this reflection? What the heck? This is the weirdest reflection I've ever seen. Okay then. I don't see any jumper spots. And I'm back where I started. What the heck? No one has an access key. Where's the access key? It can't be over there. There has to be something in this. Ah. That looks like a spot, but I don't get it. I don't know where to go. There's gotta be some spot where we can use a jumper. Maybe I have to use a quadricopter. I've been in this building before. I'm just gonna open all the gates I see, because I don't really know what else to do. I didn't mean to do that. Crap, I can't get out this way. Anything in this building? Oh, there's an access key in here. What the heck? Dang it. Wasting time. Oh well, now I know. I feel so naked now. Ugh. Okay. Well, that was a nice waste of like 5-10 minutes, but you know. Ugh. Restricted territory. This dude's playing some VR game. Locked. How can I we up there? I guess it's time for the quadcopter. Can it even fit in there? I don't know. Yeah, I got it. What the? Oh, I was supposed to go this way. Wait, go down. Here we go. No, wait. Right here. Oh, crap, no! Got it. Ooh, okay.
All right. I am now Miss Laura Kim. How do I get into Noodle Maps? If you've got her ID, you should be able to just walk right in.
Got you. Bruh. Alright, is the exit? Oh, the brightness. Oh, it's raining now. Yeah, someone sleeping on a job. Alright, here we go.